Mike and Gemma, your love story started on a hot Christmas Eve back in 2008. Mike and his neighbour were out having drinks when they remembered they'd left a bottle of whiskey at your house from a party a few weeks ago. So they decided to just drop by and get it. And even though Gemma was already in her PJs and being despite yet uneviled appearance, Mike couldn't help but ask for your number.
I've been looking for love.
Theodore, Gemma, my soon-to-be wife. As I stand here on our wedding day, I can't help but reflect on our journey together. You got us our first home, you said yes to a Amalfi dog, and now you're going to be my wife. I can't imagine going through life without you. Gemma, I love you more than words could ever express. You are my best friend, my travel buddy, and now my wife. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Forever and always, Michael.
Yours is so much better than mine.
Yeah, I've been looking for...
Michael, if someone had told me years ago that long-haired boy on the dance floor, holding a vodka raspberry in one hand and fist-pumping with the other to the music would be my future husband, I would have laughed in their face. But here we are, and I couldn't imagine standing here with anyone else. I love the man you have become. I promise to love you unconditionally, to share my heart with you, and to always be open and honest. I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Your love story is truly amazing. It is a testament to the power of shared interests, mutual admiration, and a willingness to embrace spontaneity and adventure. Your relationship is strong and built on a strong foundation of love, respect, and shared commitment to living life to the fullest.
In love there are no arrivals. In love there are no goodbyes. Is love locked inside me, waiting for me to set her free? Is love all around us? Is it the air we breathe? I've been looking high.
Well, it now gives me greatest pleasure to introduce you, Mike and Gemma, as husband and wife. Mike, you may kiss your beautiful bride.
For love.